In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give customers credit in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a credit memo and apply it to an open invoice so your books stay accurate and your customers see the correct balances. Let's start with creating the credit memo itself. In QuickBooks Online, go to the New button at the top left of your screen. From the menu that appears, choose Credit Memo. Depending on your version, you may also see this option under a Customers or Sales menu, sometimes called Create Credit Memos or Refunds. Either way, you're looking for the Credit Memo form. Once the Credit Memo window is open, the first thing to do is select the customer you're giving credit to from the Customer drop-down menu. Make sure you choose the exact same customer that's on the original invoice, so QuickBooks can match things up correctly in the background. Next, fill out the credit memo just like you would an invoice. Choose the product or service you're crediting, enter the quantity, the rate, and let QuickBooks calculate the amount. If you're giving a partial credit, make sure the quantity or amount reflects only what you're crediting, not the full original sale. You can also add a brief description or note explaining why you're issuing this credit, which can be very helpful later when you or your customer reviews the transaction. When everything looks right, click Save and Close to record the credit memo. Now that the credit exists, you need to apply it to an invoice. To do this, go back to the New button and this time select Receive Payment. This form is what ties together the customer's invoice, any payment, and the credit memo. At the top, choose the same customer from the Received From dropdown. QuickBooks will display a list of that customer's unpaid invoices in the Outstanding Transactions section. Find and select the invoice you want to apply the credit to. Below that, you'll see a section labeled Credits. Here, you should see the credit memo you just created. Check the box next to that credit memo. When you do, QuickBooks will automatically adjust the payment details. Look at the amount received field and the total applied to make sure the numbers are correct. The system should show the invoice amount reduced by the credit you've just applied. Once you've confirmed everything, click Save and Close. Your credit memo is now properly applied to the invoice, and the customer's balance will reflect that credit.